If you feel like your ex's feed is crowded by things and people you don't even follow, the Elon Musk-owned social media platform is fixing that issue. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. X is rolling out a small tweak to boost the visibility of your posts and replies to your mutuals or people who you follow and who follow you back. The platform's head of product, Nikita Bier, explained X's algorithm was missing the programming necessary to make your friends' responses show up more prominently in your reply section. Bier wrote, "This resulted in the reply section feeling more like a battleground with people you don't recognize." Bier also said that the algorithm change will help people find common interests more easily, which people have apparently been asking for. X is likely hoping that the update can make changes on its platform less toxic and would lead to more meaningful conversations. Not a long time ago, X used to have a community section, so you could interact with people that shared the same interests. Communities gave you an easy way to follow a feed made up of only the people or subject matter you care about. The company shut it down in April this year, though, because it never really caught on. Bier said back then that the feature was only used by less than 0.4% of users, yet contributed to 80% of spam reports, financial scams, and malware on X. The feature was taking up so much of the X team's time while the rest of the app suffered, and that's why the company had no other option but to shut it down. Now, after removing communities from the scenario, maybe this new tweak could help restore the familiarity back onto our newsfeeds. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.